Exactly talaga. Diyan sa Roosevelt College, Marikina. School Batch 87 organized the Grand Alumni Batch 67.
Siyang organizer?
Kasama. Grand Alumni Batch 67 to Batch 2011. We cordially invite you.
Kasali ka ba? Bakit
May babasa lang. We cordially invite you to join, di ba? Join na!
Join mo yung join!
Kasi babae nag-text.
Sige.
Dapat
mag-internalize na.
Invite you to join. Motorcade on April 9, 2 p.m. yan. Assembly Place South Supermarket, Lamuan, Marikina City.
Sarap niyan.
At eto pa, Grand Alumni is on April 16 sa Saturday at RCL Marikina Gym. For more inquiries, mga kabarangay, tawagan si Violeta Lucero Santos sa number na 0932-681-9436 at si Myra sa 0915-29-70250 or sa landline 799-6176. Enjoy, everybody.
Sa text line 2311350, everybody. Papa Kiko, Papa Bear.